This is how riding early morning feels like. As you can see, there is no traffic. Little traffic is there. I mean little vehicles, but not much traffic. The air is fresh and it's a little bit chilly, so it makes the riding experience even more fun. Until now, I did not have any problem. Okay, as of now, I am doing fine. No tiredness, just the little bit of fatigue that I have from playing football. That's all. And rest, all good. Yep. Next. Let me show you around. Yeah, it's good because early in the morning, even if it is dark, you can see the road because there is full of street lights. Everyone should go green. Take a cycle, explore early in the morning. It will also be good for fitness. I'll give you a fact here that Kerala is the diabetic capital of India. The diabetes case is about 20%, you know, and the district which I am in, Arekkal, it has reported the highest cases of diabetic. So 20% means 1 in 5% are diabetic. So me here staying in Kerala and having their food habits, adapting their food habits, so I think I should be conscious about my fitness, because here if we live sedentarily without doing any workouts, obviously we will get some kind of health related complications. So I try to play football every day, and also it keeps me active. Football keeps me active. If I don't play football, most of the time I'll feel sleepy in hostel and won't be focused on anything. Yeah. There are so much rivers here in Kerala. Everywhere you go, you will find rivers. Okay? Bridge like this. It's nice. I like the journey because it's a mixture of everything. And with nature, rivers, traffic, everything will be there when you ride. So it's fun. Okay, next we will see you in Arekkal waterfalls. 9 more kilometers to go. Okay. Okay, this is kind of isolated place, only few homes in here, and the trail is so difficult. You can see here it is pineapple plantation. Okay, pineapple plantation is there in Arunachal Pradesh also, and this Yajali, Yachuli areas. When I go to those places, I can see. And this here is rubber plantation. Oh. I'm not getting any balance in my hand also. Too tired. I don't know how I'm going to return now. The waterfall is just 5 kilometers now. I need to take a deep, long rest in those water. And also there is a cave near to that waterfall, okay, so we'll check that also. Riding in first gear, as you can see, in this plain road, but it is not plain. There is lots of up and down. My leg anyways Today morning also it was completely, what to say, I had lots of cramps. And now this trail has made it worse. But still, I like the experience. Full of rubber plantation. Please don't be uphill. Okay, slide uphill. This is easy. Oh fuck. My balance is gone. One hand balance. See, I can no longer do one hand balance. So tired. I hope I don't faint, okay? If I faint, it will be a big scene. Actually, I was planning for Arekkal, but the very next 2 days I had intense rain. Oh, which is the road? Route Ada. Which is the route? Let's see. Turning right. ചേട്ടാ Arekkal waterfalls Ivrel waterfalls. Okay, so I have reached Arekkal waterfalls now. Okay, let's get in. I've already took the ticket. It's 20 rupees only. Okay, Ivrel ചേട്ടാ എൻ്റെ പേരെന്താ? Pastor. Gate watcher. Okay. So he is the gate watcher here. He will give you the tickets. Okay. This down is my leg. They don't have any more strength. I might trip and fall. I need to get a good rest down here. As I am early, I think this place will be just for me today. Not today, for a few minutes. And after this, there is also a viewpoint. Arekkal water viewpoint. Let's see if I think I can make it. I'll go there also. But as of now, I don't think I can go there. Okay. Some people are there. Okay, let me show you the waterfall. Here it is. Arekkal waterfalls. Let's just explore this place. My leg. It's not like tired, it's just that they don't have any more strength. This is the waterfall. Oh fuck. No need. There was some water bottle on the cycle. I don't think anyone will take it. Okay. I really need the bathroom. That's the bathroom, okay. This is the waterfall. I'll take a dip there. This is the waterfall. I'll take a dip there. or else oh, nice water. Up to that side, okay? I like me better when I'm with you. Hey guys, so riding 34 kilometers and coming to Arekkal waterfall was totally worth it, because as you can see, no one is here. No one, not even a single person is here. I had full complete privacy, and only one married couple were here. They were taking their marriage photos. That's all. 4 people, 2 photographers, 1 couple, and just me. Oh, totally worth it. I was expecting crowd at least how much, 15 people in that water itself, near that waterfall. So it's totally worth it. But I'm tired, okay, to be honest. Not tired in that way, but my knees, because of continuous flexion and extension, it's very tiring now. Okay, now I'm leaving this waterfall and I'm going to Kocherekkal caves. It's just maybe 4 kilometers from here, so I have to take my cycle, bring in the navigation using my mobile phone, and then get going. Okay, so yeah, that's it. See you in that cave. Okay. So hello guys, I have reached the location of the cave. It was 4 kilometers from this Arekkal waterfalls. Let me check what is the name again. I forgot the name. Some Kocherekkal, Kocherekkal caves. Okay, and the location. Let's explore this place. I don't think today it will rain. Okay, please don't rain. I didn't even bring my umbrella. I don't have a raincoat. Okay. Yeah. Can't bend my knees. So tiring. Okay, see, large rock. I don't know why there is no people. Oh, you see water coming through that. It's really very clean water. And please let me know what is written there in Malayalam. Something is written there. Okay, they have made place to walk also. This is the cave, right? My friends climbed there. I am not going to climb there. I don't have the energy to do that. See that roots. Why is this cave not getting compressed? Why? But it's a bit risky in this during this rainy season. The tree might fall. Okay, let's wander around here a little bit and see. Should I swim there also? But I don't have. Oh, it's so deep. Fish also is there. What the fuck? I am not diving here. Nope, no way. I might die in this zone. I just want to feel the chilliness of this water. Let's try walking through this place. Oh, water is really cold. Nice water. This is neem. I don't know if you guys can see it. There are pieces, small pieces. Look how my leg is shivering now. Especially this knee joint. That's where the problem is. Clean water, see? You can see till the bottom. So many fish. In here. There was a river also, river. Where did those guys go? Definitely don't enter in this deep portion, okay? I'm not an expert pro in swimming. The water is clean, all underground water. I'm going to swim a little bit. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to have food from somewhere here, and I'll head back to college. There is a Arekkal viewpoint. There's just, I think viewpoint will just be hills. So hills I've seen my whole life in Arunachal. That's why I won't be going there. So here I have reached the hotel. I'm going to have my food. It's very tiring now. So let's see what I got here. Chor, sambar. This is, I think it's avial, payal and papram. And here some chilli. And that's all. And I have ordered beef. Actually I was fasting for a reason. I was taking veg only, but now as I'm very tired, I want a good food. So I have to say no to that fasting.